In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Obsidian. Start by opening the Obsidian app. Once it launches, you'll be on the main dashboard where your current vault and notes are visible. From here, go down to the bottom left corner and click the gear icon to open Settings. When the Settings panel appears, look to the left sidebar and select Appearance. This is where Obsidian lets you control how text and interface elements look across the app. In the Appearance section, find Text Font, then click Manage. A font picker will open. Click into the field and type Georgia. As you enter Georgia, Obsidian will show matching results. Select Georgia from the list, and your note text will update right away. This changes the main body font used inside your notes, so you can immediately see the difference in the editor. Next, stay in the same appearance area and find Interface Font. Click Manage beside it. In the Font field, type Segoe UI. Wait for the matching font to appear, then select it. This updates the font used for menus, sidebars, and other interface elements across the app, so the overall look of Obsidian refreshes as soon as the font is applied. After that, go to Monospace Font and click Manage. In the Search or Entry field, type Fira Code. Once it appears in the list, click to select it. This font is used for code blocks and other technical text, so that part of the workspace changes separately from the regular note text and the app interface. Now locate the font size slider. Click and drag the slider to adjust the overall text scale. Move it until the text looks comfortable for your eyes. As you drag, the size updates visually, so you can judge the change directly on screen. Then wait a moment for everything to finish applying. Once it's done, check the app to confirm the fonts and size changes are complete. You should now see the updated body font, interface font, monospace font, and text scale on your current account in Obsidian. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. That's it. You have successfully changed the font settings in Obsidian. Go ahead and try it on your end. Congratulations.